Hello.
Kashish, congratulations. Ketan here.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
How are you?
I'm good. I cannot believe कि
I know. ये reaction जानने के लिए मैंने phone करा था. So finally SP Jains it is, first convert of the season, isn't it? Which program is it, by the way?
PGDM marketing.
Awesome, yaar. Awesome. And what was your percentile, by the way?
94. मतलब 93.99.
Holy shit. So that's a purely profile ka power, isn't it?
Yeah.
Good, yaar. How does it feel now?
Sorry.
Cool, yaar. I hope you were there, no? The stress interview which I took पहली बारी.
Yeah.
जो कुछ 1-1.5 घंटे चला था मेरे ख्याल से.
हाँ. I was there, no?
I remember. Cool, yaar. I hope C2C was helpful, Kashish.
Yeah. It was definitely it was.
Cool, eh? I'm gonna put this on YouTube, by the way. Just to have a lot of motivation for other people.
Okay, sure.
Cool, eh? Congratulations. Take care. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye, Kashish. Bye. 93 percentile. And she converted SP Jains. Actually, last year there was a student, Mahesh. Mahesh converted SP Jains at 88 percentile. So यार we are glad कि at a very kind of a bottom level का जो cut off होता है, because SP Jain 93 percentile पे convert करना भाई मेरे बहुत बड़ी बात है, and I'm glad that Kashish converted that. So guys, those who are preparing for CAT 2023, keep in mind that आपकी profile अगर strong होगी, then a tier 1 B school awaits for you. And I hope this video could motivate you. Do hit that like button and do subscribe to the channel. That's it from my side, guys. Thank you. Bye-bye.